Assalamu alaikum dear teachers. I'm going to make this video to help you out how can you upload your classroom teachings and micro teachings videos on YouTube in an easier manner through your own mobile. What you're supposed to do, you have to go to your gallery. Here you will select the video. Once you select the video, you will have here options share. Go to share option and then you'll find here different icons. So you have to select YouTube icon. Once you select the YouTube icon, you will have your video on YouTube. Now write here the title of your video. For example, it's a classroom teaching. So you have to write down here classroom teaching and specify the date 13th April 2023 and then go to visibility option. Once you go to visibility option, you will have here three different options: public, unlisted and private. You have to select unlisted. So no one will be able to see your video, watch your video until or unless you share the link of that specific video to someone. And then go back and you will have here the next option. Select on the next option. It will ask you, is this video made for kids? So you have to select no, it is not made for kids, and then upload the video. This is the simple procedure through which you can easily upload a video in no time. And it is a bit fast process as compared to Google uploading. So you can easily follow this method. Once the video is uploaded, you just need to share the link of that particular video to us. So we'll be able to observe it. Thank you so much.